Okay, so after writing computer codes, the next thing we want to try is we can try to see how we can use this new Bing AI to write our resume for job applications. For example, if you have a job application and you've seen an advert that you're interested in, you want to write a job advert application to it and maybe attach your CV to it. As someone who is recently a graduate of civil engineering and you're looking for a job in a construction company, can you help me to write an application letter on this regard? So you can just help. Can you help me an application letter for a fresh civil engineering graduate looking for work in a construction company in Nigeria? Okay, so can you help me to write an application letter for a fresh civil engineering graduate looking for work in a construction company in Nigeria? So let's see what it has given me, the sample response. You can see, sure, I can help you with that. So it has given you an overview. A cover letter is an important way to introduce yourself to the employer and highlight your skills and qualifications for the position you are applying for. Here are some steps. Okay, so it has given you the steps. Include a header with your contact information, date of application, and the recipient's contact, and then choose a professional greeting such as this, okay, to whom it may concern, to so wish. State what position you are applying for and where you saw the job advert. You can state all this, and then highlight the skills and qualifications that match the job requirements that you show and you have. And then you have to craft a strong closing paragraph that summarizes your main points, expresses your interest in the position, and thank the reader for their consideration. Now close with a professional valediction such as sincerely, best regards, and sign your name. So do you have a specific thing or question regarding this? So I prompted more to say, can you give me a sample letter so I can edit? Say, sure, I can give that to you. So you can see the sample letter to whom it may concern. I'm writing to apply for the position civil engineer at your company. I am a recent graduate of civil engineering and I've gained valuable experience during my internship with a local engineering firm. So during my internship, it talks about internship, but I'm confident that I can contribute to your company's success by applying my knowledge and skills in civil engineering. I think this is broad and too generic, so you need it to be specific with my experience, what I have gathered, and I need to prompt him more, ask it to write this content, maybe specifying some of my experience. So I prompted him more. I said, rewrite this letter focusing on my industrial experience, okay, and numerical aptitude in terms of applying software to solve problems. He's going to rewrite this by capturing my industrial experience and my numerical aptitude. So he said, okay, here is a rewritten letter that focuses on your industrial experience and numerical aptitude in terms of applying software to solve problems. So you can see to whom it may concern, I'm writing to express my interest in the position of civil engineer at your company. I'm a civil engineering graduate with 2 years of industrial experience. You see now it has captured my interest, which is industrial experience. Okay, so during my industrial experience, now it is focusing more on the industrial experience. I've worked on various projects that requires me to apply numerical skills, okay, and software knowledge to solve complex engineering problems. For example, okay, I'll give you an example, so you can now cite in your own personal example based on your own experience. I have used AutoCAD and Revit to design model structures, MATLAB and Excel to perform data analysis and calculations. You can see I've used SAP 2000 and ETABS to conduct structural analysis and design. I've also gained hands-on experience in site supervision, quality control, and project management. You can see you have detailed and captured the industrial experience and numerical aptitude over here. So you can see I'm passionate about civil engineering and eager to learn new skills and technologies. I believe that I can bring value to your company by delivering high quality work within budget and time constraints. Okay, I appreciate the opportunity to discuss with you further and show you some of my portfolio. So please contact me at your convenience to arrange an interview. Thank you for your consideration. So I think this is a very specific letter that I've written, and it has highlighted your achievements or some of your skills in numerical skills, as well as the industrial experience. So this is the application letter. I went on further to prompt it to say, based on this application letter, can you help me to write a sample resume to attach to this application letter? Because application letter is not enough. I have to attach a sample resume that shows my own experience, that detail my experience, my academics, my objectives, my software knowledge and skills and experience, and even my reference. So I asked it to write sample resume for me, and it says, sure, here is a sample resume. So you give in your name, your address, your phone number, your email, and these are just customizable. You can just go ahead and customize them. And this is the objective. You can see that's giving you a very precise and concise objective. And it's 30 your skills, focusing on the numerics, the software you know how to use, AutoCAD, Revit, MATLAB, Excel, SAP 2000, and ETABS, and even strong knowledge in civil engineering, principles and practice, excellent communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills, ability to work under pressure and meet deadlines. When you talk about education, you can have the field, education field. You have Bachelor of Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. So you can add other degrees if you have here, and you can add other experience as well. Internship, ABC Engineering Company. This is the date, and then these are the responsibilities. Okay, it has captured some of the numerical aptitude and on some of your experiences. Now, civil engineering trainee, you worked as a trainee in this construction at this time, so you can just customize it also to your liking. And then you have other projects that you participated in, and you can give the details, and then you can customize this now according to your own experience. Then you can have analysis of a steel bridge. This is what you have done, and then this is the timing, and then you got the details. So the references usually we put available upon request. So if you have them, you can always go ahead and put them. So all you need is just to copy this and paste it on your own Microsoft Word, and go ahead and edit it to your liking and customize it based on your own experience. So the whole idea is for us to learn how to coordinate or work with this Bing AI to be able to extract content, professionally looking content that can help you to gain benefits such as job and win interviews and so on. So you can use it, you can prompt it to write different kind of things. Okay, but for now, this is how to use it to write an application letter for a job, and even write a sample resume that you can attach to the application letter to send in for that specific job application. And that does it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.